Alright, so I'm here at Bartholomew Park. Just rode over on my bicicleta. Gonna play a quick roll around of disc golf here and film as much as I can. I'm not really in the mood for getting lost in the reeds and the bushes right now, so I'm gonna skip the first 3 holes, but yeah, I'm just gonna do a quick little round and then go home. Didn't get a whole lot of distance off that first throw, but I just wanted to get out of that guy's way. So, go for shot number 2 here. Up the hill. Bad throw. Yes, there we go. Ha. Par. Never seen somebody so happy about par before, have you? Alright, this hole is a doozy. Got a big water hazard right there with some really nasty water and tall reeds. So you gotta make it the 250, maybe 300 feet across. And you gotta avoid the trees. So, we'll see what happens here. Kind of overshot that one. Hyzered off way to the left, so might be like a couple hundred feet away from the basket. Not too bad. Kind of hard to see my disc since they just mowed the whole area. Par. Alright, I skipped the first 3, so this is number 3 for me. Normally it'd be number 6. It's there's no tee box, so I don't know exactly how far it is, but I'd guess it's about 250, 220, 250 around there. So you just gotta kind of anhyzer it around those trees there. And that was looking so good. Caught the dang tree. Just barely though. Alright, it's not quite as bad as I thought it was. I'm maybe 20 feet away. Still though, it's a good long putt. Ah. There goes my chance at birdie. Oh, and it looks like it might rain, I don't know. Kind of menacing looking clouds there. Try and speed this up. Time for the groove. Oh, stayed in bounds. Over there on the hill. Not my best shot, but also not my worst. Kind of sent that one into the stratosphere. 60 feet, I guess, from the basket. Yeah. That was a really bad throw. Oh, why did I do that? No es bueno. Whoa. There we go. Another par. Kind of surprised I made that, to be honest. Just barely made it in. Okay. Alright. Oh no, it's starting to rain. Stop. Oh. That's neat. Oh, damn. Oh geez, it's starting to rain pretty hard. This sucks. Ooh, I don't know if I can make this. Oh man, somehow pulled it off. Why did it have to rain today? Ah. Got a tree assist there. One under. Alright, so I'm 1 under through 6 holes. I'm approaching number 7. Take a little trip through the trees. Well, I am absolutely soaked. Just started pouring down. I am right over there. Actually made a pretty decent shot, but can't continue because of this stupid rain. Look at that. But one day I come out and film, it rains. So this might be the end. I hope you've enjoyed my very short disc golf round. 1 under through like 7 holes, so yeah, until next time, this is HX Rollerblader signing out. Goodbye.